We have one column with the datetime information in our movies dataset. It's the release date of the movie. So here we have it with quite a few missing values. And the data type is object. However, the data type should be datetime. So first of all, let's have a look at some elements in the column. For instance, the 30th of October 1995. That's the release date of Jumanji. And actually, we can convert the data type of a datetime column to datetime with the direct pandas method to datetime, and we pass the column. And it's actually no surprise that we get here a type error. And there's obviously a date string or an element that cannot be converted into datetime. So our data set is pretty unclean, and this is no surprise. But also here we have the option to use the errors parameter, and we pass coerce. And by doing so, we create some missing values for those strings that cannot be converted into datetime. So now let's check again with the info method. Now we should have the data type datetime, and that's correct. And finally, we can also analyze our release date column with value counts. And obviously, the 1st of January is a very frequent release date, but I would suspect that this is a placeholder for all cases or for all movies where we only know the year but not the exact date. And in all of these cases, or in most of these cases, we have by default the 1st of January. So we should keep this in mind for future analysis. But for the time being, we are now finished, and hope to see you also in the next lecture. Bye.